wonderful array of organisations. One of those key organisations that's working with Palestine Solidarity Campaign, Friends of Al-Aqsa, British Muslim Initiative, Palestinian Forum in Britain, CNG, to deliver these protests is Stop the War Coalition. And I'm really pleased that I've shared many platforms with Lindsay German before, and I'm sharing this platform with her today. Warm welcome, please, for Lindsay German.
Thank you very much, Sarah, and thank you for making such a magnificent demonstration, all of you here today. We're here because we are sick of having a state like Israel, which has become like an apartheid state. And those of us who remember the campaign against South Africa in the 1960s and 70s and 80s, we can see the similarities, the way in which people are oppressed, the way in which they are terrorised, the way in which a group of people live off the backs of much poorer people. And that is why we are here today to say we do not want apartheid, we want justice for the Palestinians, and we want them to have their rights. When Baroness Wolsey resigned this week, she said that the British government was morally indefensible. In my opinion, that's the very least you can say about the British government. It is a criminal, warmongering government which has taken us to war time and again, and which has backed the state of Israel time and time again in its assaults on the Palestinians. And when you hear David Cameron say that these people are not acting disproportionately, 3 Israelis dead, 2,000 Palestinians, what's proportionate about that? And when I hear that Israel is only defending itself with one of the most sophisticated air forces in the world, with one of the biggest armies in the world, it is not defending itself, it is attacking the Palestinians day after day. And when we talk about the right to self-defense, don't the Palestinians have the right to defend themselves? And isn't this what they are doing? And you should remember, under international law it has been said, if you are a people that is occupied, you have the right to resist. And the Palestinians have the right to resist. And we should support them. We should not allow the government and the BBC to call them terrorists. They call everybody terrorists. They call Mandela a terrorist. They call the Irish terrorists. They've done it time and time again. It is a lie. But we also need to nail another lie. This didn't start last week or last month. We have to put it in context. It started in 1948 when they drove the Palestinians off their land. It continued in 67 when they did the same with the occupied territories. The Palestinians have fought back for nearly 70 years and they deserve our support, but now we have a mass solidarity movement in this country as well.